What's good, everybody? You ever wonder how to cut corrugated metal to make cool projects? Or maybe you live on a farm just like us, and you've got a lot of this stuff laying around that you need to use. Stick around, I'll show you a couple ways that I've done it, that worked or didn't work. So like most of my projects, I pretty much learn along the way. If I had to cut it, I just made it really long. So I never really had to cut it. When we built our goat barn, I just made it have a really long roof. I mean, why not? Keeps everything off the goats, right? Unfortunately, folks, those days are over. And I've got to come up with a better way to do things. I can't just wing it. All I want to do is set the camera down, but the shop's such a mess, there's nowhere to go. Recently, I was asked to make a project that required me to take these frames and put some corrugated metal in them. But I have to be able to cut it. I wanted to find a way to cut it without cutting myself and without doing a ton of work, find a way that would be efficient. So here's a couple ways I decided to do it. Why won't you focus on what I'm doing? Hopefully you've learned a little bit along the way, and you've got some ways that you can try and cut this corrugated metal yourself. In the end, these were the easiest and my most favorite way to do it. However, who doesn't want to use this when they cut stuff? If you like this video and you want to see some more, check the ones down below. Take care, folks. What's good, everybody? Welcome to Life on... What's good, everybody? Today... What's good, everybody? You ever have a question? Ooh, the hell was that? A creepy spider just crawled on my finger. That's disgusting.